Hey everyone, welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's Delph Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to fix bad FPS in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, open your video settings. The first step is to find the part of the menu that controls how the game looks on your screen. You need to get into these settings to make the game easier for your computer to handle. Press the S key on your board, click on Options, and then click on Video Settings. Wait for the big list of buttons and bars to appear so you can see all your choices. Because this menu is where you tell the game how hard it should work. You have to go here so you can turn off the things that make your computer go slow. Without this step, the game will try to show everything at the highest quality, which can make the screen freeze up. Next, lower the view distance. You need to tell the game not to look so far away. If the game tries to show trees and mountains that are very far off, it can make the game slow. Find the bar that says Render Distance and move the slider to the left. Pick a smaller number, like 8 or 10, to help the game run faster. Because it means your computer only has to draw the world that is right in front of you. By lowering this, the computer doesn't have to work so hard to see things miles away. It ensures the game can focus all its power on where you are actually standing. Next, turn down the graphics quality. Now you want to change the small details, like how the clouds and leaves look, to make them simpler for the computer. You can turn off things like smooth lighting and clouds to save even more speed. Because fast settings make the shapes simpler. By choosing the simple look, you are helping the screen refresh much quicker. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure the game feels fast even if the trees look a little bit different. And that's it. To fix bad FPS in Minecraft, you must first open your video settings menu. Then, you lower the view distance so the computer sees less. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.